Thank you, Rosemary. I say, who's that chap over there? Is he a new member?
Yes, he's a new member. He's only just joined, but he keeps himself very much to himself.
Oh, we'll see about that. I say, oh boy, my name is Carruthers. Would you care for a drink?
No, thank you. I tried it once, didn't like it, never tried it again.
Well, well, well. I'll get through to him yet. I say, old boy, would you care for a cigar?
No, thank you. I tried them once, didn't like them, never tried them again.
It seems that how to win friends and influence people is not working, but I'll get there. I say, sorry to trouble you again. Would you care for a game of pool? We have a wonderful table in the club.
No, thank you. I played it once, didn't like it, never played it again. But my son is arriving shortly. Perhaps you'd like to play with him.
Your only son, I presume?